Hello students, as we have completed page number 1 and 2, today we are going to page number 3. Charlie says that the central railway is growing like a tree, pushing out new corridors and staircases like roots. And he thinks that there is a long tunnel that nobody knows about filling its way under the city right now. Means there is a tunnel, एक सुरंग है जो कि सिटी का अंदर पास कर रहा है, टाइम स्क्वायर और मे बी टू द सेंट्रल पार्क देकर पास कर रहा है. मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल थ्रू द ईयर्स ग्रैंड सेंट्रल हैज बीन एन एग्जिट. मीन्स for years, for many years, Grand Central has been an exit and escape for people. Maybe that's how the tunnel I got into, but I never told my psychiatric friend about that idea. He is saying that how he got the tunnel and how he reached there, he never told his friend Sam. The corridor I was in began angling left. Angling means turning left. The corridor which he got, it turned left and slanting downward, and I thought that was wrong. For some time he thought it was wrong, but he kept on walking. कुछ समय के लिए वो भ्रम में पड़ गया है, सोचा ये गलत है, लेकिन वो चलते रहा. All I could hear was the empty sound of my footsteps. जब चलते रहा वो केवल अपना फुटस्टेप का साउंड ही सुनाई दिया उसको. And I didn't pass a soul. Here I didn't pass a soul means वहाँ पर कोई व्यक्ति उसको दिखाई नहीं दिया, कोई भी नहीं मिला. Then I heard that sort of hollow roar ahead, that means open space and people talking. Then he got a open space and he found some people talking also. The tunnel turned sharp left. Again the tunnel turned towards left, and I went down a short flight of stairs and came out on third level. And he moved down and he reached to the third level at Grand Central Station. For just a moment I thought I was back on the second level. कुछ समय के लिए उसने सोचा कि वो सेकेंड लेवल पे पहुंचा है, लेकिन वो सेकेंड लेवल नहीं था. बट इट वाज नॉट सेकेंड लेवल. ही सॉ द रूम वाज स्मॉलर, देयर वर फीवर टिकट विंडोज. देखा कि जो रूम था वो छोटा सा रूम था और टिकट विंडोज बीच थे, बहुत कम थे. ट्रेन गेट्स था एंड द इंफॉर्मेशन बूथ इन द सेंटर वाज वुड एंड ओल्ड लुकिंग. जो इंफॉर्मेशन बूथ था, जहाँ से इंक्वायरी बूथ था, वो वुड लकड़ी का बना हुआ था और बहुत ओल्ड लुकिंग फैशन में था. एंड द मैन इन द बूथ वोर ए ग्रीन आई शेड एंड लॉन्ग ब्लैक स्लीव प्रोटेक्टर्स. और उनका पहनाव इस प्रकार का था. द लाइट वेर डीम एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्लिकरिंग. वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा फ्लिकरिंग हो रहा था, मीन्स धुंधला हो रहा था. देन आई सॉ व्हाई दे वर ओपन फ्लेम गैस लाइट्स. उसके बाद मुझे दिखाई दिया कि वो ओपन फ्लेम गैस लाइट था, इसलिए धुंधला सा लग रहा था मुझे. देयर वर ब्रेस spitons on the floor, and across the station a glint of light caught my eyes. What other things he saw? He saw the brass pitons, means जो थूकते हैं थूकदानी. And across the station a glint of light. Glint means shining of light, which caught his eyes. A man was pulling a gold watch from his vest pocket. From his own vest pocket, he was taking the gold watch. He snapped open the cover and he opened it, glanced at his watch and frowned. And अपना वॉच का तरफ देखा और वो एक्सप्रेस किया, अपना फेशियल एक्सप्रेस किया. ही वोर ए derby hat. Derby hat means a kind of bowl hat. There we had a black 4-button suit with his tiny lapels. Lapels means the part on each side of a coat. And he had a big black handlebar mustache, or he has a big mustache. Then I looked around and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like 1890 something. तो उसके बाद उसका नज़र गया और उसको महसूस हुआ कि हर कोई का जो ड्रेसअप था वो 1890 का तो था, मीन्स ओल्ड फैशन था. आई नेवर सॉ सो मैनी बियर्ड्स, sideburns. Sideburn means hair near the ears, sideburns, and fancy mustache in my life. For the first time, he saw such type of dressed people. A woman walked in through the train gate. She wore a dress with leg of mutton sleeves and skirts to the top of her high-buttoned shoes. He saw a woman who dressed up with the short skirts and high-buttoned shoes. Back of her, out on the track, I caught a glimpse of locomotive. On the back of that woman, he saw a engine, a very small courier and Abs locomotive, Abs engine with a funnel-shaped stack, with a funnel-shaped chimney. And then he came to know about that. To make sure, I walked over to a newsboy. What was there actually? To make it sure, he went towards a newsboy and glanced. Glance means saw. He saw at the stack of papers. Stack of paper means stack, a pile of papers at his feet. It was the vault, and the vault hasn't been published for years. There was newspaper and it has not been published for years. The lead story said something about President Cleveland. That story says something about the President Cleveland. I have found that front page since in the public library files. He found the front page in the public library files, and it was printed June 11, 1894. When was that printed? It was printed on June 11, 1894. Means he has gone to the past. I turned toward the ticket windows knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central I could buy tickets. Then he turned towards the window of third level and he could buy tickets that would take Louisa and me anywhere in the United States. Then they could go, Louisa, his wife, and he himself would go to United States. We wanted to go in the year 1894, and I wanted 2 tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. Then he wanted to buy 2 tickets for going to Galesburg. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will start page number 5.